All right, everyone, how you doing there? I know you're looking at this beautiful house here. This is a nice, beautiful 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2,400 square feet house that was turned into a 4 bedroom, um, 2 bathroom property. With still did not have to add any more square footage, but kept it around 2,400 square feet. So you're looking at the finished product of this property. But in this video series, I'm going to document this whole entire process from A to Z when it comes to flipping houses. You would better see the transformation of this property. Now, before we get into the pictures, the before pictures, and a little bit of the beginning walkthrough of the property inside and outside, I want to first take a look at the property here on the outside, period. I want you to notice the garage doors here. Those garage doors um, were in bad shape. That the front entrance door is a totally brand new door. The roof is brand new. The shutters are brand new. New paint job. All this was done within this property. But to be honest with you, most of the love was done inside of this house. So I want you to take a good look at this picture here and see this picture and visualize this property and keep this image in your head. So this is going to be part one of this video series documenting this property. And I named this property here Back to the Future. Why? Because you're going to notice something in the master bathroom that gives it the Back to the Future feel. So let's get into the video and let's get into the walkthrough. Now, here is the front of the property as of now. Okay, as you can see, this is front of the property. Now, I'm not too sure why the realtor took a picture of the property at nighttime, but they did. So here's the picture. You see them doors? It's in bad shape. Those shutters, you really can't see too much here. We're gonna go to the second picture. Again, those doors are in bad shape. The house was brown with kind of black shutters. Here's another side pictures as well. Out here today looking at a property here. It looks like the roof. We're gonna probably need another roof here. Another garage. We're gonna probably need another garage here. It's pretty decent here outside. Don't think I'm gonna be able to salvage the roof. Not too sure, but it's possible. Look to the side of here. Look at the fascia. Yeah, pretty big house, folks. Pretty big house here. Don't see anything crazy as of now. A lot of water there. We got a unit here. Not too sure that thing works or not. Facial, just some little housekeeping on that. Don't see any cracks on this side of the house. It's got a truck here. Got a truck here. Facial look okay. I see a little bit of crack right there. Ain't nothing too bad. Oh, okay. Okay, we got something here on the back side of the house. Okay, I see. Now it's all about how does it look on the inside of the house. How bad that crack. But the roof, man. Wow, look at the roof. Whew, can we get away with it? Can I get away with that roof? I don't see too much going on back here. Nice little piece of property here. I see it kind of holds water during rain. That's okay. I mean, hey, it's been raining for a whole entire week, so any yard like that is gonna probably hold water. But again, I'm looking to see if we got any more cracks inside the foundation here. So, because I was told we had a few foundation issues. But we got a storage here, 2 storages. I'd love to get a chance to look at those. I'm seeing if I make it out here. without drowning. Let's see what we got here. All right, it's locked. Pretty sure this one is locked as well. Yeah, so let's see what we got on the inside. We get into the entrance of the house. This is the entrance of the house. This is what you're gonna see right to the right when you enter the property. This was a room here. So what I did is that what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this room off, put a closet in there, and on the opposite side where you see, and put a door there. That what I converted to a fourth bedroom. Because if you look at this space here, it's a meaningless space. So I said a person can use it for a bedroom or an office space. Here when you go into the living room here is that we had a lot of paneling on the walls here. What I decided to do, we're gonna take up these floors, these linoleum floors, and remove all this paneling and gonna turn it to sheetrock. Okay. Keep the beams up there, remove that ceiling fan, and pretty much keep everything the same. But most importantly, get rid of all this paneling. This is back in that fourth bedroom room. I turned to a bedroom. This is the other angle, and as you can see, you look into the entranceway where you see that green and white plug socket. That's the entranceway. So we close all that off, put a wall up there, turn to the bedroom. This is on the other side where the kitchen at. As you can see all this wallpaper, all this paneling in here. What you're gonna see in the transformation of this house, I got rid of all of that. And that carpet, that thick carpet, that was some thick carpet, but we got rid of all of that. And this is another angle from the living room where you see the fireplace, which was a beautiful fireplace. Something crazy happened at the end of the project when this house was on the market. Some bats or birds got into the fireplace, and anyway, we had to drive them out. So here's the kitchen. Now with this kitchen here, believe me, we went back and forth what we wanted to do with this kitchen, take down the wall, do this, do that. But overall, we just decided to keep everything the same, change out the stove up there, change out the hood range, put a better I think we put an electric stove or a gas stove top there, change these countertops out. We went granite and top, and we did backsplash on all the sides, repainted the cabinets and put new hardware on the cabinets, which came out to be beautiful. Next, here's the laundry. Here was the I think this was the washroom here. So in this washroom here, we just cleaned it up and just made it look a little more beautiful. Um, so we're back in the washroom here. So we got all this stuff out the washroom, cleaned it up, ran some floors in here, paint, made it beautiful. Here's the first bedroom to the left. All this stuff was cleaned out, got this carpet up, remove that ceiling fan, paint, and just pretty much beautify this room. Next, we got the hallway. Again, we took these floors up, we painted inside the hallway, changed these lights up there at the top to give a more brighter look, walking all the way into the master, which is the primary suite. So when you see the after picture, you're gonna be like, wow, this is different. Next, what we got here? We got this is the master bedroom here. As you see to the right, the blinds here, we took those down and replaced those sliding doors. The floors, we took those carpet up. That was horrible, and put new floors down. This house had really bad foundation. As you can see, that's a big crack in the wall. And you're going to see from the other pictures and videos, it's going to be cracks in the wall. It's going to be bad. And our foundation on this house cost us around $22,000. So, wow, it was a lot. But you're going to see the reason why when we get to the back of the house and some other little stuff. So, this was the bathroom here. And in this bathroom, guys, wow, this thing here was outdated. Just it was hideous. Me thinking about this project here, wow. I mean, it was one of the biggest projects I ever done. Let's just say all of this is gonna be gone. The countertop is gonna be gone. Over to the left, all those cabinets over there, all that crap is gonna be gone. We're gonna turn it into a beautiful wet room. I mean, it's gonna be beautiful. But as you can see, the transformation on what we do here, and the ideals that I had and my partner had to put this together, oh, it's gonna be day and night. So now here's the tub that's in this room here. When you walk in front of the vanity here and you go back and you go left, this is the room here. It had this tub in the ground. One of the first things I ever seen a tub like this that was actually in the ground. And you're gonna see pictures later on in this project when we take this up, pull this out, and it's actually gonna be in the ground, through the slab in the ground. And that tub probably been there 60 years or more. And think about all the time people got out that tub, wet feet, and walked on this carpet. So I'll let you guys imagine that. So we had to redo plumbing. We had to do a lot. But when you see the final part of this project, you're gonna see the reason why we ripped this out and just pretty much update this whole entire bathroom. But to get to the name of this house, Back to the Future, that's why I named it Back to the Future, only because this green ugly tub, because it's something that you can definitely would have seen 60, 80 years ago. Trying to put together a little game plan here for our master shower here. It looks pretty bad here at the moment. I'm walking through with our contractor here, and we're gonna probably just go a full walk-in shower here. Add a tub as well. We're gonna take down this wall here to enter into the other side. We already got a toilet there. We got a stand-up shower over there, which we're gonna take out the stand-up shower, and we're gonna probably do some storage space here as well. So, got a closet here. We're gonna take out the carpet, fix the little sheetrock around here, and paint, make it look beautiful. So in the daytime, we got a better picture here. As you can see, I show you guys at the beginning of the video how this house looked when we completely finish it. And as you can see here, that roof was shot. That roof was shot. Them garage doors were shot. I got this house for a major good price. But it took a lot of work. It took a lot of work to pretty much do this house. Again, like you see, the roof is shot. I mean, it was in pretty bad shape. Look at that roof there, pretty bad shape. Here on the side of the house, as you can see, the face of the house, paint was peeling, so we had to repaint all of this. The unit outside had to be replaced. Water was running in the backyard back there, so that kind of hurt the foundation as well. That's how the foundation really happened, because there's so much water running to the backyard, so we had to kind of redirect that. Again, this unit outside totally had to be replaced. Here's on sort of the back of the house. This was a dry day. Again, the paint pump coming out the house, but big house, nice yard. But as you can see on the back of the house here, look at that roof. It just had to be completely replaced. But going back looking at this project here, I was just so excited because I knew that we found a diamond in the rough, and I negotiated a pretty good deal. Came in with a strong cash offer. Had to renegotiate a little bit because of the foundation. But overall, as you can see, this was a big house, a big project, and that roof again was shot. The fascia stuff had to be replaced. Man, we had to do a lot of work to this house. Again, these garage doors just shot. Why? Because right here, you see the corner of the house right here with the dirt, it had a drain there. We didn't figure it had a drain there until like a week or so after the house was on the market. And water for years was coming into this driveway and going right into the garage, riding out the garage doors. That's how I just got riding out. But once we opened up this drain here, then wow, it was pretty much sky's the limit. Then it was easy. Yeah, I mean it was pretty much easy then. All the water was not draining into the garage. It was actually draining through the drain going out to the road. So something we figure out a little bit ways down the road. Electrical panel, had to update that. Man, had to turn to a 200. Had to take that hood range, oven out. Sinks had to come out. Dishwasher had to come out. Um, and we just had to pretty much, especially this glass door had to come out. Stuff in the garage, we changed these out as well. Went with the simple light. The bricks right here by the sliding door in the living room was breaking up. Had to completely change that. But as you can see, we at least came back in, cleaned out. we cleaned out the room there, bathroom here. We're basically gonna get rid of all this. We didn't even keep this. We got rid of all this. This vanity here. Those lights, this tub here, we got rid of that. Put another tub in there. Towel, all of this. We got rid of all of that. That toilet had to go. I mean, all these things had to go. But as you can see, this house here was a big challenge. But you guys gonna see the transformation of this property, and at the end, I'm telling you, you guys are going to love it. So don't forget, hey, give us some thumbs up here on this video here, so you can tune in. So also like and share and definitely subscribe so you can get all these videos here. So you get all these videos here. This is going to be a great video series. You're going to see how we transform this property from A to Z. I cannot wait for you guys to see the finished product. It's going to be awesome. Let's do deals.